1 over 6 times 6, okay, by 6 1 by 6 1, therefore 1 over 6 times 6 is just 1. So 6 divided by 1, which equals to 6. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right, okay. Therefore, this expression there are one division and one multiplication. Therefore, this division has higher priority than this multiplication, because it is found as the left of this multiplication, okay. Therefore, first we have to do this division and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Therefore, first we have to do this division, okay. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We have to keep the first number and change this division into multiplication and flip the second fraction, okay. Then times 6. 6 times 6, which equals 36 times 6. Then 36 times 6 means 6 times 6, which is 36. Right, 6 remainder 3, then 6 times 3, which is 18, plus 3, which is 21, okay. Therefore, 216 is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem equals to 216.